Welcome all to Darwin Explores. Darwin Explores.
Whoa! I'm here in the African savannah looking for animals. I think I see one over there. Come with me. It's a lion! Lions are pack animals. That means they have lots of friends and like to be in big groups.
I have like 22 friends.
Whoa, that's a lot of lions.
Meow.
Lions hunt for food on the plains of Africa.
You're never gonna catch me.
Most of the girl lions do the hunting.
Over here, fatso.
Girl and boy lions look different.
I'm a girl lion.
Have you ever noticed that lions are always yawning?
I'm just really tired.
Okay, it looks like all the lions have gone to bed. Did you know lions can run over 20 miles an hour and jump 12 feet high in the air? I call upon the spirit of the lion to sleep. Huh? What happened? Did you know lions sleep 20 hours a day? I think I see more animals down there. Come with me.
Welcome all to Darwin Explores. Darwin Explores.